What is valuation? Valuation is the process of determining the theoretically correct value of a company, investment, or asset as opposed to its cost or current market value. Common reasons for performing a valuation are for N&A, strategic planning, capital financing, and investing in securities. The three most common investment valuation techniques are DCF analysis, comparable company analysis, and precedent transactions. One DCF analysis is an intrinsic value approach where an analyst forecasts a business's unlevered free cash flow into the future and discounts it back to today at the firm's weighted average cost of capital WACC. To comparable company analysis is a relative valuation method in which you compare the current value of a business to other similar businesses by looking at trading multiples like P/E, EF, EBITDA, or other multiples. 3. Precedent transactions analysis is another form of relative valuation where you compare the company in question to other businesses that have recently been sold or acquired in the same industry.